everyone, welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura, and today we're going to be taking an up-close look at our fingerprints. So if you were able to swing by the library and pick up a craft kit, inside you have an ink pad, a magnifying glass, and a piece of paper that on one side has some fingerprint types, and on the other side has a personal fingerprint identification chart. So this is the page we're going to be using first, and what you're going to do is take each of your fingerprints to put in the box, and you can kind of look if you want to put them in the right order, starting with your thumb in the middle and working your way out to your pinky finger. Same on the other hand, start with your thumb in the middle and work your way out to your pinky finger. So let's get these fingerprints on our chart and then we'll go over our next step. Okay, our fingerprints are all done. You can see on my paper I had a silver ink pad, so it's a little tough to see on the camera, but I can see my fingerprints there. I've got each of my fingerprints in the box. So our next step is we can use our magnifying glass to help us take a closer look, but we're going to compare our fingerprints to the fingerprint types to see if we can identify what types of fingerprints we have. So you see there are 7 kinds of our paper. They each have a special name. So after you have identified your own fingerprints, there's a place you can write each type on the line below the box. So after you have done your own, a cool thing to do might be to have some of your family members or a friend do their fingerprints, and you can kind of compare and see who has similar fingerprints and what are some differences about them. So we hope you enjoyed this Kids Craft Corner, and we will see you back here next week, Tuesday at 10 a.m. for our next Kids Craft Corner. Have a great day, friends. Bye.